The case study smart. Just read the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
India's competitive manufacturing location due to the low cost of manpower and strong technical and engineering capabilities contributing to higher quality production runs. The production of TV sets in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. It produced 16,000 sets in sixth year and 22,600 in ninth year. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. In which year the production is 29,200 sets? Find the production in the eighth year. Find the production in the first 3 years. Find the difference of the production in seventh year and fourth year.
Okay, some pathirlama. So, okay,
Okay,
can
ma'am.
you guess what chapter is this?
Ma'am, arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic progression. Yes, good. Arithmetic progression. This is arithmetic progression. The production of a TV sets, the factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. Fixed number every year. It produced 16,000 sets in sixth year. That is a sixth year. A6 is equal to, and A9 is equal to this one. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. In which year the production is this one? In which year, na? So what is asking here? In which year means?
In which year the production is 29,200 sets.
So in which year means here asking here as a n is equal to question mark. Okay. N is equal to. So find the production in eighth year. Say A8 is equal to question mark. Find the production in the first 3 years. Find the production in the first 3 years. This is not a A3. S3 la?
Yes,
this is S3. Find the difference of production in the seventh year and the fourth year. So A7 minus A4. Production, the difference of the production in seventh year and the fourth year. Okay. We will do one by one. Okay. So initially we write the given information as A6 is equal to this one, A9 is equal to that one. Using the two information, we will find A and D. That is the first term and the common difference. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So நீங்க ஆன்சர் பண்ணனும். So rough note pen கண்டிப்பா வச்சுக்கோங்க. என் கூட சேர்ந்து ஒர்க் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். Okay. It's okay, ma. So sixth year given, that is A6 is equal to 16,000. And A9, ninth year is equal to 22,600. Okay. So from the first one, we can write A plus 5D, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
16,000. A9, this is A plus 80. This is 22,600. Solving these two. So now work panta ningal work panta answer pannunga. What is A, what is D? So
okay,
fast pannalama.
Okay, ma'am.
So minus 3D. 600. So minus 6,600. So minus get cancelled. So D is equal to 6600 by 3. So 2,200. D kadachada pa?
No, I don't know. Change it again.
Substitute D in number 1. So D finish pantinga?
Not yet, ma'am.
I'm waiting. So D is equal to what?
Ma'am, D is equal to 2200
Correct. Substitute that D in any one of the equation. So
Okay, ma'am.
I'm using number 1 equation. So A plus 5D, 5 times 2200. This is equal to 16000. Double zero is equal to 16000. So A is equal to 16,000 minus 11,000. So our A value is equal to 5,000.
Ma'am, A is 5,000.
Yes, correct. So here first question is, in which year the production is at 29,200? We will take AN is equal to that.
Okay, madam.
So division number 1, AN is equal to 29,200. Okay. So A plus
Okay, madam.
N minus 1 times D is equal to 29,200. Just substitute A, this is 5,000 plus N minus 1, D as a 2,200. This is 29,200. And
Okay, madam.
keep the second term only in left side. That is N minus 1, 2,200. This is equal to 29,200 minus 5,000. Can I answer on is a 24 la?
Yes, ma'am.
24,200. Then N minus 1 only in left side. So 24,200 is divided by 2,200. So 2 zeros get cancelled. And 11th table is common for both numerator and denominator. So 2 11s are here, 2 11s are again 2 11s are 22 by 2, it is 11. So N is equal to 11 minus 11 plus 1, it is 12. So first question answer சொல்ல முடியுமா? There's a in 12th year. So in
Yes, ma'am.
which year? It's a 12th year. The 12th year, the production was 29,000.
29,200.
Okay. So answer me correct finish பண்றது good. So in 12th year, in 12th year, the production. Yes, it's production and yes, production. The production was 29,200. So the division number 1 doubt irukka? So division
No,
number
ma'am,
1.
no doubts.
So now what is the division number 2? So division number 2, find the production in the 8th year. Just asking A8 only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So division number 2, A8 we start as a A plus 70. So our
Okay.
A answer is a 5,000. D is a 2,200.
2200.
Yes, this is 5,000 plus 14, 1, 14, 1, 5, 4,000.
15400.
Okay, okay, just add up both. Just
Okay,
add up both. 15, 20, 20, 20,400. Check the answer. Number 2.
ma'am,
Yes, correct.
20400.
It's a 20,400. So A8 is equal to 20,400. The 8th year, the production is a 20,400. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, words எழுதி முடிக்கிறது கூட good then. So production during 8th year. So 8th year is equal to 20,400. So இதுல one more choice கூட இருக்கு. This or that. So இப்போ work பண்ணி பார்க்கும்போது ரெண்டுமே practice பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கலாம். Examல ஏதோ ஒன்று ஆன்சர் பண்ணா என்ன? Find the production in the third year. Find the production in the first 3 years, not third year. Find the production in the first 3 years. That is S3 is asking, correct? Not a A3.
Yes, ma'am.
See, S3. So இதுல R choice. So S3 is asking. So என்ன formula book நினைக்கிறீங்க? We know two
Ma'am,
formulas here.
the S is equal to
In arithmetic progression, two formulas summation.
ma'am, n by 2
N by 2.
into 2a plus n minus 1.
Into D. Formula கரெக்டா சொல்லுங்க.
Okay,
Into
ma'am.
D வருங்களா? Into D வருங்களா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one more formula. Can you tell?
Ma'am, the other one is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d.
That's the nth term. I'm asking Sn. So n by 2 a plus l. Formula கொஞ்சம் படிக்கணும்பா please. n by
Okay,
2 times a plus l. This is one formula. அடுத்த formula n by 2. 2a plus n minus
plus n minus 1 into d.
Correct. So we go with the second formula. That is n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Here, asking here the first 3 years. So n is equal to 3. Yes, 3. 3 by 2. 2a, our a value is a 5,000. So 5,000
Yes, ma'am.
times 2 is a 10,000. So n minus 1, 3 minus 1 is a 2. D is a 2,200. All are
Okay.
calculated above, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is 3 by 2. It's a 10,000. Okay. Okay, 4,400. So 3 by 2 times. Okay. Just add up both. 14,400. So cancel with 2. 1 by 2. Okay. 7 2s are 14. 2.
7200.
So multiply these two numbers. 3 2s are 6. And 3 7s 21 and 00.
And 21600.
1,600. Okay, yes, correct answer, correct answer, correct answer. Therefore,
Okay.
the production during the first 3 years, the first 3 years is equal to 21,600. So we go to the next division. That is the last question in the case study.
Okay, ma'am.
So mostly 3 questions இருக்கும் எதுக்காவது ஒரு 6 choice இருக்கும் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். Then third division, find the difference of the production in the 7th year and the 4th year. So A7 minus A4, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we do now. That's a third division. A7 minus 7 and 4th. So replace A7 by A plus 6D and 4 by A plus 3D. Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Screen, okay. So A plus 6D minus A minus 3D. Here both A's are get cancelled. 60 minus 3D is equal to simply 3D. So 3
Okay, ma'am.
in the place of D, we will substitute 2,200. Just multiply 2 further here.
6600.
Okay, that's all. This is the difference. The difference of 7, the production, the difference of the production in the 7th year and the 4th year, this is equal to 6,600. So உங்களுக்கு இந்த question doubt இருக்கா?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. So இந்த lesson, இந்த questionல நம்ம என்னென்ன formulas எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணோம் அப்படிங்கறது திரும்ப ஒரு சொல்லி காட்டுறீங்க. Formulas தான் important தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு?
Ma'am, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d.
So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. That is 10th term. Okay, then.
And then Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay, right. So one more
And
formula
Sn is
also.
equal to n plus l. A plus l.
N by 2 a plus l. Okay,
Okay.
wow. Okay. Shall we move to next question now?
Yes, ma'am.
The doubt irukka?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
No doubts arise. Now next question, that is in coordinate geometry. So the lesson உங்களால guess பண்ணிக்க முடியுதா இது coordinate geometry ன்னு சொல்லிட்டு?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just read the question.
Alia and Shagun are friends living on the same street in Patel Nagar. Shagun's house is at the intersection of one street with another street on which there is a library. They both study in the same school, and that is not far from Shagun's house. Suppose the school is situated at point O. That is the origin. Alia's house is at A, Shagun's house is at B, and library is at C. Based on the above information, answer the following question. How far is Alia's house from Shagun's house? How far is the library from Shagun's house? Show that for Shagun, school is further compared to Alia's house and library. Or show that Alia's house, Shagun's house, and library are for an isosceles triangle, right triangle.
Isosceles right triangle. Okay. So first we decide the coordinate of Alia's house. So Alia's
Okay.
house உடைய point சொல்லுங்க.
Ma'am, A.
Okay, that is A. The point represent
2, 3.
2, 3. And B represent
2, 1.
B represent
2,
Shahun's house.
1.
Shahun's house then.
Yes, ma'am.
Shahun's house at the intersection of okay. It's a 2, 1. Then C.
And C is library.
Library.
4, 1.
4, 1. Just all points are noted.
Ma'am, and O is school.
Okay, O represents school. This is okay. So now division number 1. How far is Alia's house from Shahun's house? So what we have to find?
Ma'am, distance formula.
That's good. So distance formula. Can you say that formula?
Ma'am,
So distance
x1 x1 plus
formula weak இருக்கீங்க.
Ma'am, x1 plus x2 y1 plus
not x1 minus x2.
x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2 on the root.
இல்ல wrong சொல்றீங்க. So square root of x1 minus x2 the whole square சொல்லல plus y1 minus y2 இங்கே நீங்க ஸ்கொயர் சொல்லல கரெக்டா?
Yes, ma'am.
So class கூட just ஃபார்முலாவாவது படிச்சுட்டு வந்துடணும். புரிஞ்சுதா உங்களுக்கு? Please answer me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now just substitute the points. So x1 minus x2 the whole square. 2 minus 2, that is a 0 square, and 3 minus 1, the whole square. The 0 plus 2 square is a 4. The answer will be 2. It's just 2 units.
2 units.
That is the distance between Alia's house to Shahun's house. And this question. Now, second, how far is the library from Shahun's house? Here, what is asking? Second division can happen.
Ma'am, distance formula again.
Again, for what points?
A and C.
A and C. Here, Shahun's house and library.
Oh, ma'am, B and C.
B and C. So please say the formula again.
x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square under root.
y1 minus y2 the whole square, correct? B and C then, correct. So 2 minus 4 is a minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 1, that is a 0 square, correct? Is a 2 square is a 4 plus 0, again root 4, this will be 2. This also 2 units. Here units are not given specifically. Specific of kudukla, so units சொல்லி போட்டு முடிக்கிறது good. மீட்டரோ கிலோமீட்டரோ எதுவுமே கொடுக்கல, so நீங்க units போட்டு முடிச்சிட்டா good. சும்மா எழுதுறது, correct? And
yes, ma'am.
Now third division. Read the third division.
Show that Alia's house, Shagun's house, and library for.
So in the question.
Okay, ma'am. Show that for Shagun school is further compared to Alia's house and library.
Show that for Shagun school is further compared to Alia's house and library. So இங்க என்ன calculate பண்ணணும்?
No,
so first
Shagun and school.
School is further compared to Alia's house to library. First A to C calculation finish பண்ணிடலாம், correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So we want to find AC. So again same formula, please repeat again.
x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square.
Correct. So x1 minus x2 the whole square. So Point A is a 2, 3, 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 the whole square. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 again 2 square. Is a root 4, root of 4 plus 4 root 8. This is 2 root 2. It's a 2 root 2 units. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, இங்க compare பண்ண வேண்டியது. Show that for Shagun, school is further compared to Alia's house and library. As a school is in the position of origin, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, இதுக்கப்புறம் எப்படி proceed பண்ணலாம்?
Ma'am, we have find the distance between Alia's house. I mean, we can find the distance between Alia's house and library with the school.
Already find the AB, find the BC, find the AC also find the எல்லாமே calculate பண்ணி. Show that for Shagun, school is farther. School is an origin. Okay. Compared to Arya's house and library. Arya's house here, library here. What about war?
But how will the school be further for Shagun if he is the closest to the origin?
Okay. So distance between Alia's house and Shagun's house is a 2 units, and library to Shagun is a 2 units. OB is greater than OB. O to first O to B finish பண்ணணும் correct?
Yes, ma'am.
O to B. Say O to B. So O to B. So being the point B is 2, 1. So O to B is equal to 0, 0. 0 minus 2. Minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 1. Minus 1 the whole square. This is 4 plus 1 is a root 5 units. The distance between Alia's house and Shakun's house. It's already found. That is 2 units. Calculate பண்ணிருக்கோம் கரெக்ட்டா? Already கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் இது. So mic offல இருக்கு.
Okay.
Then
yes, ma'am.
அடுத்தது இது finish பண்ணிட்டோம். Shagun's அடுத்து Shagun's to right. This is between library and Shagun. Library and Shagun B to C is also 2 units. Comparison எழுதுறோம்.
Yes, ma'am.
Distance between library and Shakun's house also 2 units. But O to B is 2 root 2. Correct? So,
yes, ma'am.
Alia ko Shagun ko 2 units, library ko Shagun's 2 units, but O to B na potana, that is a 2 root 2.
Yes, ma'am.
2 root 2 is 2 oda jastiya irukku. Therefore, O to B, that is school to Shagun, OB is greater. So greater than AB and BC or CB.
Okay.
The doubt irukka?
No, ma'am.
So in the school is farther from the conclusion. Therefore, the school O is farther than Alia's house and one more Shagun's house. Shagun's house. This is for Shagun. So, doubt இருக்கா இதுல?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Doubt. இதுல one more division கூட இருக்கு. Then, third. Just read.
Show that Alia solves Shagan solve and library form an isosceles right triangle.
So already every third data calculated. AB finished 2
Yes,
units,
ma'am.
BC calculated 2 units, AC
Ma'am,
also
AB is
carrying
equal
out
to
as a
BC.
2 root 2. Enama?
Then AB is equal to BC.
Same time, we want to show it is a right angle triangle.
Yes, ma'am. And how do we prove that it's a right angle
Yes.
triangle?
So AB is equal to 2 units and BC is equal to 2 units. So AC calculated as 2 root 2 units. Okay. Just to find the
Okay, ma'am.
square of everything. AB square 4, BC square 4, and the AC square is equal to 2 to the 4, 4 again 8. Okay. So now check
Okay,
the
ma'am.
result as for the converse of Pythagorean theorem. So AC square is equal to here AB square plus BC square. Is it correct? This is 8.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 4 plus 4. Therefore, 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, the triangle
Okay, ma'am.
ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle. So doubt இருக்கா?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
Doubts. So இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல வந்து ஃபார்முலாஸ் மட்டும் மென்ஷன் பண்றீங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
Just distance formula only, இல்ல?
Yes, ma'am.
So please tell.
Ma'am, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square and the root.
X1 minus x to the whole square. Y1 minus y to the whole square. Correct. So doubt இருக்கா? I think no doubt.
No, ma'am.
No doubt. So formulas தரவா படிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறது திரும்பவும் மென்ஷன் பண்றேன். சரியா?
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
next question. Okay. Just read the question now.
Okay, ma'am. A boy is standing on top of a lighthouse. He observed that both P and both Q are approaching the lighthouse from opposite directions. He finds that angle of depression of both P is 45 degrees and angle of depression of both Q is 30 degrees. He also knows the height of the lighthouse is 100 meters. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. What is the measure of angle APD? If angle YAQ is equal to 30 degrees, then angle AQD is also 30 degrees. Find the length of PD, find the length of DQ.
So what is the
Applications of trigonometry.
Trigonometry. The concept is a trigonometry concept.
Ma'am, in this, both the figures are the same figures.
Actually, alphabets are mismatching, இல்ல?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the APD will be 45 degrees. And AQP will be 30 degrees.
Alphabets mismatching இருக்கு.
Yes, ma'am.
நம்ம own style போறோம்.
Okay, ma'am.
He observed that both P and both Q approaching the lighthouse from opposite directions. He finds the angle of depression of a both P. So depression means that the dot lines, horizontal lines here also will come. It's a 45 degrees, so that here 45 degree and there also 45 degree. It's a diagram is correct. Alphabets only differ. And
yes,
angle of depression of a both Q is 30. So here 30 degrees, therefore here also 30 degrees because of cognate angles are equal. And he knows that the height of the lighthouse is 100. This is a 100 meters lighthouse. 100 meters lighthouse. Okay, what is the measure of angle APD? So here is A. This is A.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is a D. So now,
45 degree.
okay, direct answer. So 45 degree. So first question.
Ma'am, we can say it's because of vertically opposite angles. Ma'am, alternate interior angles.
Alternate angles are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Alternate angles are equal. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
இப்போ நீங்க டைரக்டா சும்மா அப்படியே எழுதக்கூடாது. ஸோ அப்போ எப்படி எழுதலாம்?
Okay, ma'am.
ஸ்டெப்ஸ் எழுதலாம்னா எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Please tell.
Ma'am, since XY is parallel to CD.
That line. So we note that here X and Y. XY is parallel to PQ and AP is a transversal line. Therefore, here alternate angles are equal. அப்படி எழுதிடுறது good. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we write the steps now. So for the division number 1, the line XY is parallel to PQ. Also, AP is a transversal line. It's a transversal line. Therefore, alternate angles are equal. So first here asking that angle APD. As here mismatch diagrams. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The APD is equal to just 45 degree. So because of alternate angles are equal. Is alternate angles equal? Then
Okay,
second
ma'am.
division. Second division. If YAQ
If YAQ is equal to 30 degree, then angle AQD is also 30 Y.
YAQ is equal to 30 degree. YAQ. This is Y. This is
Ma'am,
Y.
same
Y
reason we can
30.
say.
Same reason. Same reason. Same
Yes, ma'am.
reason. So angle YAQ is equal to angle AQD. So both are equal 30 degree because of same reason. அதே reason எழுதிடுவீங்க நான் எழுதட்டுமா? The reason is
Ma'am, அதே reason.
XY is parallel to PQ and here the transversal line is a AQ. PQ.
Okay, ma'am.
And AQ is the transversal line. So transversal line. So alternate angles are equal. Therefore, alternate angles are equal. That's all. Now division 3. Find the length PD. So length PD. So
PD
equal to?
we will take tan 40. Yes, we can
correct.
take tan 45.
Yes, correct.
So tan
This
40 equal to AD by PD.
Is a tan 45 degrees. Is a
AD
by AD leather.
yes,
Is a AD by
PD.
Right. So AD by is AD by here alphabets are BP then AD by PD. Tan 40 value is a 1. AD is a 100 meters.
100.
PD is equal to that. So that
So PD is equal to 100 meters.
That's all. There's one more division also here. So either choice or either or. Find the length of DQ. So here also we apply the tan 30. But
yes, ma'am.
So our choice question for the division number 3. So tan 30 degrees is the opposite. There is AD. Here Q. There is a QD. Tan 30 value is what, ma? Please tell.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. So AD is 100. So QD is as it is. Just cross multiplication. QD is equal to 100 root 3. So using root 3 is equal to no values given. No values are given. La question. La. So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
keep it as it is. Otherwise, just substitute instead of root 3, 1.732.
Okay, ma'am.
So 2 zeros are there. The point shifted rightwards 2 places. It is 173.2 meters. That's all. So either finish with 100 root 3 meters or root 3 is
Okay, ma'am.
replaced by its value 1.732. So doubt is there.
No, ma'am.
No doubts. So here the formulas recap. In trigonometry, few formulas will recap.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the value of tan 30?
Ma'am, 1 by root 3.
Okay. What is the value of tan 45?
Ma'am, 1.
Okay. What is the formula for tan theta? Using sides. So sides use particular formulas. Using sides.
Ma'am, using anything?
Sides use panulama opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse.
Ma'am,
Tan theta.
adjacent by opposite.
No. Opposite by adjacent.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then that's all. Formula solved. So where is the doubt? Irka?
No, ma'am.
No doubts. Now we move to next case study.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just read the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Shown below is the trophy she received on winning an international table tennis tournament. The trophy is made of glass sector DOC supported by identical wooden right triangles ADOA and triangle COB. Also, AO is equal to 7 and AO is AO is
DA.
AOCBA is equal to 1 is to root 3. Use root 3 is equal to 1.73.
Then read the question
Based on the
based
given
on the
information, answer the following questions.
Mm.
Find angle DOC, find the area of the wooden triangles, find the area of the shape formed by the glass portion, or if Akshi wants to decorate the boundary of the glass portion with glitter tape, and find the length of the tape she needs.
Okay. So can you guess what lesson in the first question?
Ma'am, seriously,
You know?
areas related to circles.
Okay. How to find the angle DOC?
I'm using trigonometry.
Trigonometry தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும்.
Ma'am, because it's given that AO is to DO is equal to 1 by 1 is to root 3.
Yes, correct.
So AO by DA is equal to 1 by root 3.
Yes, correct. Right. So trigonometry யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிவிஷன் ஃபினிஷ் பண்ணணும். So here given that AO is equal to 7 centimeter. So in the place we marked as a 7 centimeter. This is a 7 centimeter. And also given AO by DA. So AO by DA is equal to 1 by root 3. So ratio format means we introduced a common factor on a numerator and denominator, either any variables. So usually we take it as a x means x, okay? Well, 1 times x is a root 3 times x. Because of ratio, some common factor may be. So
Okay.
AO, the in AO by D, AO by DA. AO by DA. Okay. So AO by DA is equal to just AO places a 1 times x. DA only. This is a root 3 times x.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
first, we know that this is asking, DOC is asking that. This is a question mark. So first
Okay,
we
ma'am.
use this theta. This is a theta, okay? Is according to that theta. Actually, this is a 90-degree right triangles DAO. This is 90 and this is 90. So using this theta opposite by adjacent means tan theta. Right? So for the division
Yes, ma'am.
number 1, so we use tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Okay. So tan
Okay,
theta is equal to opposite side is a root 3 times x. Adjacent is a 1 times x. X cancelled. Tan theta is equal to so the tan theta is equal to what answer, ma? Tan theta is equal to
ma'am.
root 3.
Opposite by adjacent.
So it is root 3 here.
Okay, ma'am.
So root 3 occur tan in what angle? Theta is equal to?
And theta is equal to
Theta is equal to?
ma'am, root 3, there's no value for tan, right?
I said tan 30 is
Ma'am,
equal to
tan
what?
60.
Tan 60. Therefore theta is equal to 60
Okay,
degree.
ma'am.
I said the two triangles are similar triangles only.
Okay, ma'am.
Identical, supported by the identical wooden right angles. So identical means the shaded portion both have the same region, same angles, everything are same. So here theta means here also theta is a 60 degree, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because of given information. Now using the linear axiom theorem, the sum of all these three angles is equal to 180. So can you guess what answer of DOC?
Ma'am, 60 degree.
Yes, good. The AOD plus, so angle AOD plus angle DOC plus angle BOC, correct?
Yes,
BOC
ma'am.
is equal to 180. So both are, this is 60, this is unknown, DOC plus 60 is equal to 180. Just keep the term DOC on left side. This is DOC is a 180 minus 120. This is equal to 60. That's all. So first division over. So now second division. Okay, find the area of a wooden triangle. So area of a wooden triangle means this one and that one. Okay, can you guess can you say the answer for division 2?
Ma'am,
என்ன பண்ணலாம் நினைக்கிறீங்க? Area of a wooden triangle. This is a wooden triangle. Shape பண்ணிருக்கேன்ல wooden triangle.
ma'am, half into base into height.
Half into base into height 2 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Both are right angle triangle. So division 2. So division 2. Area of a wooden triangles. So wooden right triangles. Actually, so two identical wooden places. This is a wood. This is a glass. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The base is given, so here 7. Already we know that this is a 1x then 1x or 1x root 3. So opposite by adjacent, correct. This is a 1x no ratio. This is root 3x. So this is right angle triangle. That is equal to 2 times half base height. So 2 to get cancelled. Base just 7. Height is a root 3 times x. Oh, 1x is equal to 7. This is a height
Yes,
is a
ma'am.
root 3x. So from the figure, 1x is equal to 7. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 7. So 49 root 3. That's all. So centimeter square. And second division over. Second division doubt irukka ipo?
No, ma'am.
And third, find the area of a shape formed by the glass portion. Find the area of the shape formed by the glass portion. So how to find the area of the glass portion? தெரியலையா?
Ma'am, we can use radius rate to circles.
Areas to circles, correct. So questionல read பண்ணி பாத்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு அழகான keywordsலாம் உள்ள இருக்கு. Beginning வந்து read பண்ணுங்க. Read பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
The trophy is made of glass. Sector DOC is supported by identical wooden right triangles.
Sector area only asking.
Okay, ma'am.
Theta by 360. Formula சொல்லுங்க. Theta by
2 pi r.
2 pi r pi r square.
Ma'am, pi r square.
Formula கொஞ்சம் வீக்கா இருக்கீங்கம்மா. Please recap all formulas.
Ma'am, area of segment is 2 pi r.
No. Arc length is equal to segment alla. Arc length is equal to theta by 360 2 pi r.
Okay. Okay.
Theta is a 60, but radius is known or not? So radius தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு?
No, ma'am.
Radius not, but we will find
7 centimeter.
This is OC, OD or radius.
Okay.
It's a right angle triangle using a Pythagorean theorem. We can find the radius. This is 1x root 3x 7 root 7 root 3. We will find now. So picture is like both are identical. This is 7 centimeter, 60 degrees. Everything is a 60. This is also 60. This is root 3x. That is equal to 7 root 3. So using Pythagorean theorem, otherwise with the help of cos 60. Adjacent by hypotenuse is also work out. So Pythagorean theorem use பண்ணமா cos 60 use பண்ணட்டுமா? So Pythagorean theorem use பண்ணாம cos 60 use பண்ணிக்கலாமா? Please tell quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
எதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம்? Pythagorean theorem வழியா வரட்டுமா?
Pythagoras theorem.
Okay. So division number 3 is a in a right triangle. Right triangle. This is right triangle. AOD. Pythagorean theorem. OD square is equal to OA square plus AD square. Here's a OA square is a 7 square is a 49. This is 7 root 3. 7 root 3. 49 times 3. Just 49 take out 1 plus 3. This is 4. 49 times 4. This is OD square. We want to find OD alone, take a square root of that. So from the first number 7 will come, second number 2 will come. So OD is equal to 14. Is a doubt? No doubt. So இப்படி calculate பண்ணலாம். Otherwise cos 60 போடலாம். Cos 60 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse is a OD. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. உங்களுக்கு எது ஈஸியா இருக்குன்னு பாருங்க இப்போ. So OD is equal to 14. Which one is easy? சரி ஈஸியா.
cos 60.
cos 60 ஈஸியா இருக்கும். பட் எதனாலும் ஓகே தான். So உங்களுக்கு எது கம்ஃபர்டபுளோ யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். But here, just area only now found. So area of a sector is, sorry, radius only found. Sector area asking. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say the formula for area of a sector one more time?
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
Not 2 pi r, pi r square.
No, I said pi r square.
Pi r square then okay. The area of a sector. So area of a sector, that is here a class portion. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
There is a class portion here. This is equal to theta by 360 times pi r square. So theta is a 60, 360. Pi is not mentioned specifically. Okay, we will take a 22 by 7. R is a 14. 14 times 14. So 1001666 R. Then 11 twos, here 3 twos, 17 2 sevens. No more cancelling possible. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 22 times 14 by 3. Please simplifying it, please, quickly. So 22 times 14 by 3. Simplify and answer solunga.
Okay.
Quick.
Ma'am, 102.67.
Multiply பண்ணிட்டு 3 ஆல் டிவைட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
2.67.
7. Correct. So 102.67. Correct. So here one more division also. Last question. So read the last division.
If Akshay wants to decorate the boundary of class portion with repetitive, find the length of the tape she needs.
Okay. Can you say the answer? Akshay wants to decorate the boundary of a glass portion with the glitter tape. Then find the length of the tape she needs.
Say that theta by 360 2 pi r.
That is arc length. Correct? This portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that?
After that, we can area of the triangle.
No. It's a boundary, na? CO plus DO. It's like
Yes,
this is the glass portion. Correct? This
Yes,
arc
ma'am.
length is calculated with the help of it's an arc length formula. This is radius already calculated. This also radius already calculated. Adding all these three, we get the tape length. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So புரிஞ்சுதா உங்களுக்கு?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's the next edition. This is the glass portion. So just boundary, na? Adding all the three. This radius, and arc length. So required required tape length is equal to, the radius is calculated as a 14. This also 14, correct, Amma? Is a
Yes, ma'am.
14 plus 14 and theta by 360 2 pi r. This is 28. Theta is a 60 degree. 360 2 pi r 2 into 22 by 7 governing r is equal to 14. Governing. Is a
Okay.
1 7 here 2. This 0, this 0. 1 6 6. Correct. 1 2 here 3. That's all. So 28 plus 44 by 3. Please finish the answer. Quickly. Please quick.
Okay,
Do.
ma'am. 42.67.
42.67, correct. So the decimal fraction what is சொல்லுங்க பாப்பா. This is 28. 28 plus 44 by 3.
14.67.
என்னமா?
28 plus 14.67.
14.67, correct. 14.66 bones 67. Just add a both. That is equal to 42.67. What is the unit here? என்ன unit வரும்?
Square units.
No. Centimeter
Oh,
only.
centimeter.
So length only asking ma, not a centimeter square. நீங்க unit தப்பா போட்டா கூட மார்க் போறேன்.
Okay.
It's okay. Formula recap for this question.
Anyone?
So formula recap.
Ma'am, theta by 360.
Is the arc length. Arc length is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Arc length of a sector. And now area of a sector. Please tell. சொல்லுங்க. Theta by 360.
Theta by 360 into pi r square.
Okay, good. That's all then. Where is the formula? Correct. So next question. It's also case study. Read it, ma. Quickly.
The school auditorium has been constructed with a capacity of 2,000 people. The chairs in the auditorium are arranged in a concave shape facing towards the stage in such a way that each succeeding row has 5 seats more than the previous one. In the first row, if the first row has 15 seats, then how many seats will there be in the 12th row? If there are 15 rows in the auditorium.
Over division பண்ணிரலாம். Read பண்ண செஞ்சிரலாம். Okay. Capacity of 2,000 people. Considering the capacity of 2,000 people. Okay, only 1 minute. I'll come.
Okay.
Back. The school auditorium has to be considered with a capacity of 2,000 people. The chairs in the auditorium are in a concave shape, facing towards the stage in such a way that each succeeding row has 5 seats more than the previous one. The first row has a 15 seats. So actually, what lesson is this? What chapter is this?
Arithmetic progression.
Yes, good. Arithmetic progression. So if the first row has 15 seats, let's say A is equal to 15. How many seats will be there in 12th row? So A12 is asking, what is the common difference here given?
5.
Yes, good. So we do the first division now. The first division, the first row number of seats is equal to 15. Common difference
60 seats.
Finished. So A12, So A12 is equal to A plus 11D, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 15, 11, this is 5. So 15, 55. 55,
Okay, ma'am.
60, 70. 70 is the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
The 12th row has 17 seats. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, next question. Read the second division.
Okay, ma'am. If there were 15 rows in the auditorium, how many seats will there be in the middle row?
15 rows are in the auditorium. How many seats will be there in the middle row? Okay.
No,
What to
how
do?
will there be a middle?
Okay. Suppose 5 rows means what is the middle row?
Three.
3, third. That is, we will get to use the formula as a n plus 1 by 2.
Okay.
Okay. Depends upon the number. Here, this is an odd number. This is odd number. So that n plus 1 by 2. Suppose even number means what? Suppose 10 rows are there. How many middle rows are possible?
Um, 5.
5 and 6.
This one.
5th row, 6th row, both are middle rows.
So for this, it is 7 and 8.
Actually, our question is here odd number. Huh?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
odd number means only one middle row possible.
Yes, ma'am.
This is odd row. This is for odd number of calculation. Suppose our question is a
Okay.
even number means n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. So n by
Okay.
2 term, that is a 10. Suppose 10 means 10 by 2 is a 5th. N by 2
Okay,
to
ma'am.
row, 5 plus 1, 6th. This is a formula, just note it in your mind, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm? Suppose our number is a even number means how to find the middle. So n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1, not a n plus 1 by 2. N by 2
Okay, ma'am.
plus 1. Our number is an odd number means n plus 1 the whole divided by 2. Here odd number. So n is 15. Therefore 15 plus 1 by 2 is a middle row. Middle row is equal to 16 by 2. That is the 8th row. Okay. How many
Okay,
seats? See A8. We want to find A8.
okay, ma'am.
So A8 is equal to A plus 7D. So A is 15. 7. D is a 5. It's a 15 plus this is 35. 30, 40, 50. 50 is the answer. So
Okay, ma'am.
there are statements.
50
There
seats in the
are
middle row.
seats in the 8th row.
In the middle row.
In the 8th row. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And now third. Just third. Read it, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
It's total 1,875 guests were there in the auditorium for a particular event. Then how many rows will be needed to make all of them sit?
Okay. So total means Sn is given. This number represents Sn. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Asking here is how many rows? N is asking.
And
So the good formula is two formulas we have. So good formula is the n by 2. The first one, my n by 2. Tell.
n by 2 bracket a minus
n by 2,
2n
2a. The formula
2a
ஒழுங்கா படிக்கணும்பா 2a.
plus n minus 1 into d.
ஸோ சம் செய்யறதுக்கு டைம் கிடைக்கலன்னா கூட ஓகே, சம் செய்ய டைம் கிடைக்கல, ஃபார்முலா ரீகா பண்றதுக்கு டெய்லி 10 நிமிஷம் போதும்.
Okay, ma'am.
ஸோ ஃபார்முலா தப்பா சொல்றீங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
Not a n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Here Sn, that is 1875.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, n is asking n by 2, 2a, a have 15. So 2 times 15 plus n minus 1, d is a 5. This is 1875. Now, so the 2 is going to that side. N, this is 30. plus 5n minus 5. So 1875 times 2. What number will come here? 1875 times 2. 3750. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This 2 goes to right side. 3750. So here we want to find the value of n alone. N 5n 30 minus 5 is 25 minus 3750. Here one quadratic equation we will get. So 5n square, so 25n minus 3750. All number have a 5 as a common factor, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
So divided through with the 5. N square plus 5n minus so 7 5s 35 to 5. Okay, can you find the factors?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 times 750. Okay, minus 750. In product, we need two numbers. That product will be minus 750. Addition will be plus 5. So addition as a plus 5. What is the number? Can you get?
Okay, ma'am.
750 with the 5. 152 is 150. Yes, 5. This is a 5. 3 5s are 0. Again with the 5, 6. So now 2, 3. That's all. Grouping all these numbers into two groups. Clearly we could. Okay. This is 10. 10. How to get? 15. Yes, sir. 15 and 10. Yes, correct. Yes, 25. No. This is 25. 30. 25, 30. 25, 30 is our number. Correct number?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a grouping பண்ணி பார்க்கிறது தான். So 25 and 30. So one number have a minus sign. So middle sign have in front of a big number. Here plus sign. That is 25, 30. That number is a plus 30. Plus 30 minus 25 with here n and there n. So n represents number of rows. So n minus 25 and n plus 30. They both equal to 0. So each term equal to 0 means, so from the first one we'll give n is equal to 25. And second, from the second term, see n is equal to negative answer. This is rejected, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
So because of number, quantity never in negative number. So answer for this is a 25 rows need. புரிஞ்சுதா?
Yes, ma'am.
Therefore, the total number of rows required. Therefore, total number of rows required is equal to 25. Here, one more division is there. So quickly read the addition. If total, quickly, ma'am.
Total 1,250 guests were there.
How many rows will be left blank out of total?
And how many rows will be left blank out of
Total 30 rows. Actually, same process, same thing. Correct? இதே இது பண்ண போறோம். நமக்கு ஒரு nங்கிற ஒரு ஆன்சர் required seat rows கிடைக்கும். இப்போ 30 ரோஸ்னா 30ல இருந்து உங்க நம்பரை லெஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா that number of rows are left. blank left
Okay, ma'am.
blank. So உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுதோ?
Yes, ma'am.
Same calculation தான், same தான் போக போறோம். So here the number of C's is a 1250. Same formula n by 2. Please repeat 2a plus weekly mark. N minus 1 times
Okay.
d. This is equal to 1250. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So now also n is asking n by 2. A is a 15. Is a 30.
30
N minus 1. D is a 5.
5.
This is 1250. And 2 goes to that side. And n is come inside 30n. 5 times n minus 1 is a 2500. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a 2500. 30n plus 5n square minus 5n minus 2500 equal to 0. And 5n square plus 25n minus 2500 equal to 0. So here 5 is a common factor divided throughout with 5. That is n square plus 5n minus 500. Please guess the roots quickly. So roots நீங்க சொல்ல மாட்டீங்க, நானே சொல்றேன். Minus 500.
Minus 500.
Is a 5 na 100. Again with 5, 2 0. Again with 5 4. Is a 2 2. In addition plus 5 need. 50 10 not possible. 50 times 10. Oh no. No.
No, ma'am.
25. Is a 25. This is 25. 420. 25 20. 25 20.
Okay.
25 20. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So here also a big number have a plus sign. This is minus sign.
Okay.
So n plus 25, n minus 20 equal to 0. So put each term equal to 0. Where n is equal to minus 25, this is rejected. What is the reason?
Because it cannot be negative.
Okay. So n minus 20 equal to 0. That is equal to n is equal to 20. But here asking as how many rows are left blank out. Correct?
Okay.
The number of rows left blank out. That is 30 rows minus 20. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
10. That's all. So any doubt ka?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
It's okay. So இதுல கூட இன்னொரு கேஸ் ஸ்டடி இருக்கு. ஸோ நீங்க கூட இதை ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு அனுப்பலாம். ஒரு சமா செஞ்சு அனுப்பலாம். எவ்ரிடே செஞ்சு ஹோம்ஒர்க் அனுப்புங்கன்ற எதுவுமே இல்லை. பிகாஸ் டைட்டா ஒர்க் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்றீங்க. கரெக்ட்? அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒன் கொஸ்டின், இந்த ஒரு கொஸ்டினா செஞ்சு அனுப்பலாம். ஓகே தானே?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ஸோ டுமாரோ கிளாஸ் பார்க்கலாம்.
Okay, ma'am.